It is a historical building area. It records the formation process of the entire historical district of Lanyuan. We hope to preserve its historical authenticity to the greatest extent possible during the renovation process, while at the same time making the building meet modern usage requirements. After Zhu Yuanzhang of the Ming Dynasty established his capital in Yingshan, according to records of the Qin Dynasty, Lanyuan was quite close to the main palace Daodan. After the Qin Dynasty, it was renamed Lanyuan. Lanyuan is connected to the Imperial Academy and Confucian Temple of the Ming Dynasty in the west. It can be called the dividing line between the civil and military in the ancient city of Jinling and is used exclusively by military review officers. Today, the Lanyuan community is an important historical building protection area. The three historical buildings in Lanyuan were all built in the 1930s and 1940s. The main structure of the building is well preserved, but due to serious additions and age, the facade and internal facilities of the building are dilapidated and crumbling. The Cultural and Tourism Bureau quickly organized on-site mapping and temporary maintenance. In June 2022, the design of the Lanyuan historical building was officially launched, in order to make the old building meet the requirements of modern living, adhering to the principle of repairing the old to use the new. After many discussions on the design plan, the plan layout was deepened. Expert consultation meetings were held, striving to be meticulous in details and give the building new vitality. In March 2023, the Lanyuan project was officially launched, with a total renovation area of 1,555 square meters. The Lanyuan renovation project provides all-round protection and revitalization from the overall appearance of the building's facade to the internal space structure, on the basis of preserving the city memory and the function of the building. The style and structure of the traditional architecture of the Republic of China are followed, while reinforcing the foundation structure, walls, floor slabs, roof trusses, and other load-bearing components. The foundation part is mainly reinforced by adding reinforced concrete ground beams. By using pins and keys to connect the original foundation with the newly added reinforced concrete ground beam, a complete force-bearing system is formed. The wall is reinforced by steel mesh, polymer mortar, steel plate bonding, and adding structural columns. After planting the steel bars on the original wall, the steel mesh was tied and painted with high-strength polymer mortar. The original roof frame is reinforced by steel and carbon fiber. For wooden structure roof trusses, we first spray termite-proof paint, apply anti-corrosion paint, and spray fire-retardant paint for protection. Steel bonding reinforcement is carried out at the stress nodes. Finally, the entire roof truss is wrapped with carbon fiber. During the renovation of the Lanyuan historical building project, we first removed and replaced the original severely damaged roof purlins, lookout, boards, and tiles one by one. Secondly, the method of removing the tiles without dropping the frame is adopted. A 6 cm thick extruded insulation plate is added under the lookout slab. Place the insulation on the support net to ensure that the insulation layer is located between the purlins. This can better prevent air, moisture, water, leakage, and heat insulation. During the floor reinforcement and repair construction, we first conducted an on-site inspection, replaced the warped, rotten, and loose keels, reinforced the remaining keels that were relatively well preserved with carbon fiber. After reinforcement, added angle steel supports at the lower end of the keel to improve the bearing capacity and stability, replaced all the original floor planks, added rubber pads between the wooden floor and the wooden keel for shock absorption. All the updated wooden materials on the project were Douglas fir materials. Which were treated to be old and used after fire and anti-corrosion treatment to ensure that the repair achieved the expected effect.